Brazil once ruled world football. Now, they are chasing a dream they haven't touched in over 20 years. No nation has won more FIFA World Cups than Brazil. 5 stars shine proudly above their badge. From Pelé to Ronaldo, from Ronaldinho to Kaká, Brazil has always produced football legends. Their legacy is unmatched. But the last World Cup triumph came in 2002. An entire generation has waited for another celebration. Since then, every tournament has ended in disappointment. The pressure has only continued to grow. The painful memories are impossible to forget, especially the historic 7-1 defeat to Germany in 2014. That night changed Brazilian football forever. It exposed weaknesses few believed existed. The years that followed were filled with rebuilding. Coaches changed, players came and went. Yet one question never disappeared. Can Brazil become world champions again? The road to the 2026 FIFA World Cup offers another opportunity. But this journey may be their toughest yet. Brazil enters the tournament with a new generation. Young stars are ready to carry the famous yellow jersey. The expectations remain enormous. Every match feels like a final for the Seleção. This squad blends youth with experience. It may be the balance Brazil has been searching for. Players developed in Europe now lead the attack. They bring speed, creativity, and confidence. The midfield has become more disciplined. It can control the game without losing Brazil's attacking identity. The defense has also evolved. Organization now matters as much as flair. Modern Brazil looks different from the teams of the past. They play smarter while keeping the Samba spirit alive. Every great World Cup story begins with belief. Brazil believes their time has finally come again. But belief alone will not lift the trophy. They must overcome the world's strongest teams. Can the Samba Kings return to the top of world football? Their road to World Cup 2026 begins now. Brazil's journey to 2026 begins with one clear objective: qualify strongly and build momentum before the tournament. South American qualifying is one of football's toughest competitions. Every match tests a team's character. Brazil faces fierce rivals like Argentina, Uruguay, and Colombia. There are no easy points in CONMEBOL. Despite the pressure, Brazil continues to produce world-class talent. The next generation is already making its mark. Vinícius Júnior has become the leader of Brazil's attack. His pace and dribbling can change any game. He thrives in one-on-one situations. Defenders rarely stop him without committing a foul. Rodrygo brings creativity and intelligence to the front line. He creates space for everyone around him. His calm finishing makes him a constant goal threat. Big matches never seem to intimidate him. Brazil also has strength in midfield. The balance between attack and defense has improved. Bruno Guimarães controls the tempo with intelligent passing. He connects every part of the team. Behind him, Brazil's defense has become more organized. Clean sheets are now just as important as spectacular goals. Modern football rewards disciplined teams. Brazil has adapted without losing its identity. Their fullbacks still attack with confidence. But they recover quickly when possession is lost. This tactical balance makes Brazil far more dangerous. They can dominate with or without the ball. Set pieces have also become an important weapon. Every corner and free kick creates real danger. Brazil no longer depends on individual brilliance alone. Teamwork has become their greatest strength. Every player understands their role. That unity could make the difference in 2026. The coaching staff is focused on consistency. Winning ugly is sometimes just as important as winning beautifully. As the World Cup approaches, confidence continues to grow. Brazil believes this squad can compete with anyone. But the biggest challenge still lies ahead. Can this new generation succeed where others have fallen short? Brazil has the talent to win the World Cup. But talent alone has never guaranteed success. Every champion must overcome pressure. Brazil carries more pressure than almost any other nation. The famous yellow jersey represents football history. Every player understands its responsibility. Brazil's biggest strength is attacking freedom. Their forwards can create chances from almost nothing. Quick passing and fast transitions define their style. Opponents rarely have time to recover. Their wingers constantly stretch the defense. This opens space through the middle of the pitch. Brazil also has impressive squad depth. Quality players are available in every position. That depth becomes vital during a long tournament. Fresh legs can change important matches. However, every great team has weaknesses. Brazil must avoid costly defensive mistakes. Strong European teams will punish every error. Concentration must remain high for 90 minutes. The knockout stage leaves no room for failure. One bad performance can end the dream. Brazil has experienced that heartbreak before. Those memories still motivate this new generation. The players know what the fans expect. Only the World Cup trophy will truly satisfy the nation. Millions of supporters will follow every match. Their passion gives Brazil incredible energy. If the team stays united, anything is possible. Confidence often grows with every victory. The road to glory will not be easy. Argentina, France, Spain, England, and Portugal all stand in their way. But Brazil has overcome giants before. Football history is filled with unforgettable Brazilian triumphs. Can the Samba Kings reclaim their place at the top of world football? The answer will come on football's biggest stage. One thing is certain: Brazil will never stop chasing a sixth World Cup title. The journey to World Cup 2026 has begun. Subscribe for more cinematic football documentaries and join us as football history continues.